So, dahil sa nabanggit na rin ni Gigo, okay? Yung anak ni Claire de la Fuente, nabanggit niya na may sinabi daw ni Romel sa kanya na itong si Christine, bago siya namatay or bago nangyari kung ano man yung mga pangyayaring nangyari pa, nabanggit na niya na merong naglagay sa kanyang drink. So, kailangan malaman natin kung anong klaseng crime ang ibibigay kung sino man yung liable, kung sino man yung gumawa nun. Okay? So, ito. It is called second-degree assault. Alright? So, the crime of second-degree assault may be charged if a person intentionally and for a purpose other than lawful medical or therapeutic treatment causes stupor, unconsciousness, or other physical or mental impairment or injury to another individual by administering a drug or substance without his or her consent. Well, obviously, this wasn't for a purpose of a medical or therapeutic treatment. This was something na gusto nilang i-drug. It's either gusto lang nila siyang ma-high or talagang intentionally na gusto siyang patayin. And as far as I'm concerned, dito sa mga na-research ko, this is deadly. So meaning to say, hindi lang ito pangkaraniwang drug. Hindi lang ito pangkaraniwang party drug na ginagamit nila para lang ma-high yung tao or para lang ma-sexually assault yung tao o para lang ma-rape yung tao. This drug is actually something that was really intentionally given to her para siya ay patayin. But I'll go to that. Okay? So, anong tawag doon? Anong tawag doon sa naglagay, nalagyan ng drug yung kanyang ininom? This is called drink spiking. Okay? Drink spiking occurs when a drug or alcohol is added to your drink without you knowing about it. This may affect your behavior. Well, obviously, nakita natin kung ano yung nagiging behavior ni Christine Dacera. I am sure maraming makapagpapatunay, lalong-lalo na sa ina, na hindi ganon ang kanyang character, hindi ganon ang kanyang behavior. Okay? So, this may affect your behavior, meaning to say talagang dahil sa nailagay doon sa drink niya, this has affected her behavior, obviously.